Hey, what's going on, guys? Just want to give you a quick update. This is like my 12th day of having COVID. It's been brutal, but I'm making it, guys, and I just want to make an update that I did have COVID, and I was getting through it, and I was holding and sucking wind, so I went to the hospital a couple of days ago, and they checked me out and gave me some medicines, and they were fortunate enough to be good to me and send me home. So I want to let you guys know that COVID is no joke. And I think most people take it very seriously. I certainly did. I didn't get the vaccine, and I wish I did get the vaccine. So I'd recommend anyone that can get the vaccine should get it. Even me, I'm 56 and I was super healthy, but I just had the moons line up and I got it. But I am getting better, guys, and I'm coming back. Voice a little raspy. I dropped about 15 pounds, and I'm going to make a huge comeback, guys. And there's so much love and so much support I have from my primary care people around me, my wife, my family, of course, my parents, all my friends, all you guys that I've been working with, because I have been working. I slowed down a little bit, but I'm ramping right back up now because I'm getting over this, guys, and I will make a huge comeback. You got to be there for me, man. You got to be there. Take care of yourselves. Be safe with this thing. It's going to go away sooner or later, but for right now, you just got to anchor out. And thank you so much for trusting me so much. So much great stuff coming. The app is coming out. You're going to see that in the next week or two. So much is cranking. I'm still there for you guys. And I'm very humble, man, to stay strong and healthy. I am the Anabolic Doc. I'm still coming at you.